My name is Marco. I'm the head of the organizing committee of the International Chemistry Olympiad 2023. I'm organizing the communication, the entire program of the event, but also boring things like finance and legal matters, stuff like that. What I really like here is the place where we work. So we're working at Gerber. This is a place up on a hill, so we have an excellent view, but we also work in the same building as the chemists that do the actual research here at IChO. I would say go to the lake and take a swim or just enjoy the time at the water. You will all have a great week here, that you meet as many of each other as possible, really enjoy this international environment and make a lot of connections in this group of no borders here at the IChO 2023.